had to pull over because we keep getting trailer brake warnings. But everything seems good. But it is annoying because it beeps every time we hit a bump. That's the check trailer brake.
I don't know yet.
We'll find out.
Not quite sure. He's running back home because he doesn't know where he put his sunglasses.
Oh, thought you figured it out. Halfway back to the car, I remembered.
I hate you.
Woohoo!
Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Still good? Started recording, but Lady's popular, and
He's popular.
someone who had lost their dog recently wanted to pet her, so we chatted with them for a bit. From Cleveland. I'm sure our sunsets are nice, but a lot of our shoreline is industrial stuff, and honestly, like Lake Erie is nice, but I don't ever think of Lake Erie as, at least out by Cleveland, as pretty, or like ooh ah, The water's always seems dirty. It smells funny. There's plants running off stuff in there.
Geneva's not bad.
Geneva's not bad. That's true.
Geneva's not, but it's also further.
Further, yeah. It's only an hour away. It wasn't until we started camping that we went here last year, I think, is what it was. And we're on Lake Erie, and it really changed our opinion of Lake Erie in the sense that, like, the sunsets are beautiful. Pennsylvania does a really good job taking care of their shoreline. We were in Chautauqua a week or two ago, and their water is like blue, turquoise, and their shorelines are, well, mostly made of rock, but nonetheless clean. There wasn't dirt. The water was crystal clear. It was beautiful. So if you're like us and you're from Cleveland and you think Lake Erie kind of stinks, check out Pennsylvania. Check out New York. Pretty much any other place that has a lake line really changes your opinion of things.
Sure that they had outdoor seating and that they allow dogs, and he was so nice on the phone and was all excited that we were coming in, and he said, if there's not a seat outside, I'll make one for you.
Eyes closed tight, open for the first time, new skins for struggling with an old rhyme of the noun
went to Luminary Distilling. Nice experience. We went there, we sat outside. We went because they let us bring Lady. I happened to go inside, check it out. I was just taking some video of some different things inside. Who I came to find out later was the owner, Joel. Yelled, "What's up?" And he said, "Are you going to be on the news?" Just as I was taking videos, so he said, "I can show you some cool things." He talked a bit about some of the things they've brewed. He showed us their little distillery area.
This thing basically makes the beer that we eventually distill, where it makes it, you can put wine in it. We distill that. We distill agave, which is like so we distill molasses for rum. We distill all kinds of stuff.
Joel was a bit camera shy. He said he didn't want to be on. He was fine with us taking video, but he didn't want his face on YouTube. So we didn't record much. We just enjoyed the experience, but it was really good. At the end, he gave us some samples of some vodkas, wheat vodka, a wine vodka, a coffee liqueur, and one other thing, but I'm drawing a blank. I had the apple pie moonshine as a drink there. If you're in Erie, PA, and you're looking for just a good experience, I mean, the food was good, the drinks were good, the service was good, the owners were good. They seemed genuinely pleased to have you there. So if you're in Erie, PA, looking for a place to eat or grab some drinks, go to the Luminary Distillery. I don't think you'll be disappointed. We weren't. We were definitely surprised, and we said as far as service, food, and drinks go, it's probably one of the best places we've ever been to. And if we were local here, we'd definitely be frequenting that over anything else.
Struggling with an old rhyme of an outdated.
Been here before. Downtown Erie is there. That was a lot of fun. We didn't go there this time. It's cool.
Neighbors.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
Those were our neighbors. How funny. Well,
We're making friends, you know?
I wish we brought our bikes.
I wish we brought our
Anyway, so we didn't go to downtown Erie this time.
No, but it's a short drive. There's a Sheraton right there, so if you aren't RVing, there's a really nice hotel and restaurant right on the water.
Meet up with friends or family who are camping. That's it. It was a good weekend. Beautiful weather.
Awesome weekend.
A lot of fun and a lot of adventure. So
I still think this is probably one of my favorite places. We said it last year, and that was in October, and now it's even better with the nice weather. It's perfect.
all right. Till next time.
Until next time.
Of why struggling with see in time of an outdated first light.